To test our optocoupler, we have connected the anode of the diode side to the power supply. That is our 5 volts, like this. That is where we have connected our power supply, and then we have connected the positive terminal of our multimeter to the emitter of the phototransistor side, and we have also connected the negative terminal of our multimeter to the cathode of the phototransistor side. We have soldered a resistor on the positive terminal, which is a current limiting resistor. We have soldered this cable on the cathode. We are going to connect it to the negative side of our power supply. We have connected the cathode of the diode side of the optocoupler to the negative side of the power supply. We connect this to the resistor, that is the positive side, and then we connect it to our power supply. We have connected to the positive side of the power supply. Now, this is the diode side of the optocoupler. We have connected it to the power supply. We are going to connect the emitter to the positive terminal of our multimeter, and then connect the collector of the optocoupler to the positive terminal of our multimeter, and now set our multimeter to resistance like this and switch on our power supply. You can see in our multimeter it is reading 120 ohms when the voltage is 4.3 volts. Let's try to reduce the voltage and see. When we reduce the voltage below 2, there is no reading. When we increase the voltage to 4 volts, there is a reading. If we continue increasing the voltage, when the voltage is 3.9 volts, there is no reading. When the voltage is 4 volts, there is no reading. When the voltage is 4.4 volts, now there is a reading. What has happened? We have supplied this LED with power, and now when it is 4 volts, it lights. When it lights, it shines, and that light falls on the base of this transistor, which is connected to our multimeter. And now the phototransistor closes the contact between emitter and collector. Hence there is flow of current. That is why the multimeter is reading. You can see 107. Let's continue increasing the voltage. The resistance goes low. Let's continue increasing. You can see the resistance goes reducing. So this optocoupler is good. You can also see when we take it to the diode mode, there is no reading. When we increase, you can see when it is 0 volts, the multimeter does not sense continuity in the emitter and collector of the optocoupler, but when it reaches 4 volts, you can see the multimeter will sense. You can see now there is continuity because the photodiode has light, and when we reduce, there is no light. You can see there is continuity. When the voltage, now the optocoupler is okay.